Welcome back, my lovely people. I trust you're doing very well. I trust you're doing great. Welcome to today's video. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to be making some carrot oil, and I have some carrots. If you look carefully, I have removed the outer layer of the carrots. I always do this for all my carrots, whether I am eating it, whether I am using it for something else, because it usually has a lot of dirt. So I always like scrape the first layer of the carrots, and I have done this already, and I also went ahead to dry the carrots because as you can see I am already grating this carrot. To make carrot oil is very easy. Just get the carrots, remove the outer layer, and grate it just the way I have done. So out of all the about the 7 carrots I had, I have grated every single bit of the carrot. When you're done doing this, it will be time for you to move to the next step. Separate it just the way I'm doing so that enough moisture can go out. We don't need moisture for this at all. So what you're going to be doing is to dry it in the sun. If you stay in the tropics like how I do, you can dry it in the sun. As you can see, it is well like dehydrated already. Or if you don't have sun, or if your area is not sunny, you can do this in the oven. Just make sure it is dry. The next step I'll be doing is to transfer this into a jar like I am doing. Please, I will say this again, make sure your carrot is dried very well, and you'll be pouring some of your oil. I'm using my coconut oil. You can use any other carrier oil of your choice. You can use olive oil, you can use grapeseed oil. I choose to use coconut oil for this particular recipe or for this particular process. So guys, the process does not end there. It's very easy, but you just have to do the usual steps in order for you to get good carrot oil. I'm mixing everything together now, and I'll be leaving this for at least 24 hours. The longer it stays, the better. If you can leave it for up to like 2 days, 48 hours, or even 72 hours, it is perfect. But I will advise you to leave it for at least 24 hours. And guys, let's just like sieve this together. You will see, you saw that I poured coconut oil already before, and you saw how clear the oil was. Now check out this. You can see the golden glistening carrot oil. Our carrot oil is ready. It's very easy to do. It's just that it might require some time. Not time on your part, just the time for it to walk through. And I would advise you not to skip this because it's very essential. And because we earlier like removed all the moisture in the first place, I will be squeezing everything. So at this point, there's no moisture in this oil. It's all oil. There's no water whatsoever. It's all oil, as you can see. If it was like watery, you would have seen it like separating and all that. That's why I always advise that you dehydrate your carrots very properly. When you do that, you will have good oil. And this is good for your hair, for your skin, flawless skin, long hair. This is so pure, so good, and you would love it. If you enjoyed this video, kindly thumbs up. Please share this video because you don't know who might be helping this video. I'd love to see you come back for more recipes and for more DIYs. Bye.